Hi, welcome back to Edison Mobile Estates. Things are moving very quickly now on this particular house. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath house, 1-car parking. This is a fabulously private oasis here in Edison Mobile Estates. We very rarely have end units with such a private yard. So what you're going to be seeing now is that we are quickly having the steps custom made, and that way I'll be able to start giving tours in person. As of right now, it's been a construction site the whole time. There's still a 38-point checklist that we have to finish up on this house, but there's a lot of things we can show you on video for now. So as you see, both steps will be facing the street, and you've got this grand patio area here. You've got outside electric. The yard still needs to be done. This is a great private area. Back here you've got outside water. This is a full vinyl sided house, and you'll have a shed that goes here. So this is really exciting. Now let's go inside and take a look. So here's this front end kitchen. A lot of people love this look. You've got this beautiful 2 thermopane window front looking out into the street. And the beauty of this is you can put your kitchen table here in the middle. You've got a counter space next to your refrigerator. These are all brand new appliances, never been used. So today we have the electric on, and that really helps. So this house is linoleum throughout. Now let's take a look at this side of the kitchen. So you've got cabinetry, all wood cabinetry in the gray gray-brown Timberwolf look. We had this little tiny rail along the bottom. These are adjustable cabinets. You've got your double stainless steel sink, lots of space for storage. You've got your 4 appliances, your Whirlpool dishwasher, this beautiful kitchen. This is a Viking look-alike countertop kitchen. So you've got a 4-burner, and you've got your oven. And of course your microwave. So all the appliances are included, and they're a beautiful white color. It goes great with the Timberwolf color, and you've got your New York subway tile with the gray grout to bring it all together. This is the rounded countertop Cipollino. It's got a marble look-alike. If you come up a little closer, you can highlight all the variations in there, and it's just stunning. And then highlight the flooring, and you can see it's the concrete stamp look. Very, very pretty. So over here you've got your living room. It's actually really very long and large. This is a 16 wide house, and I'll put the dimensions in the description. You've got your cable ready jack, and you've got your living room fan. So now let's take a look at the bedroom and the bathroom. Got this great little hallway. A lot of people add a little desk area, work area here. This bathroom is amazing. You've got space for your washer and dryer here, and again, those beautiful wood cabinets. And this one has a towel bar, so you can hang your delicate washables, hand washables. And this is a great feature. You've got tons of linen space here in this particular, it's a bathroom laundry room combination. Over here you've got your step-in shower stall, and we have yet to put in the glass doors, but that's coming. And over here we've got this transom window that we added. It's a long skinny one, which adds a little accent, little air, and great light. And of course you've got your cosmetic box above your commode, and your matching countertop to the kitchen with the ceramic single lever faucet. And again, we did the mirror framed. It's really pretty. So now let's look at the bedroom. Before we head over to the bedroom, I want to show you the Miller furnace. Your central air conditioner and your hot air furnace works through that. So here's your single bedroom. Look how big this is. Oh my goodness. We have LED lighting throughout, and this is your closet, and it runs the whole length of the wall all the way back to here. So this is a very extensive closet, and your hot water furnace is hot water furnace is in here. This again is also cable ready, so you can set up your bed here and watch TV in bed in the comfort of your own home. So let's finish up in the kitchen, and I'll tell you a little bit about how you can acquire this house yourself. So the first step is to email me at info@dolanhomes.com. That's essentially the first step. With that, I will send you our informational email. It's very extensive, and it tells you who we are, what we're about, and what we're selling. Attached to it will be the resident application and the lease. This is a land lease home. It's 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and you'll have to follow all the restrictions in the lease. And then after you receive it, you write me back and ask for the 15 pre-qualifying questions. And then we'll go over those with you and ask any more other questions that might come up. And then we schedule a tour in person. In the meantime, you can watch us on YouTube. And then you take a look at the house in person, you end up loving it, you fill out the resident application for you and any other adult that will be living in the house. And we run that. It takes about a week to have that done. We send it out to a third-party company called CoreLogic. And then we send you an acceptance or rejection letter. And then if you're accepted, your application is good for 6 months. And then we can help you out with any financing. We don't have any financing ourselves, but we know some reputable companies that we can send you to. So that's it. Very easy, simple closings. It's a simple purchase agreement. No realtor fees, no attorney fees, no points, no taxes, super easy. And then you sign a lease for a year and you live with us. It's a wonderful place. We're in a great location. The Edison school systems are rated like #1 in the country. Really fabulous, look it up. And what else can I tell you? We're 15 minutes away from Metuchen, which has the train station to get into New York City. There's no bus line on Route 1, but this is a one-way in and a one-way out entrance to Route 1, US Highway 1 in Edison, New Jersey. But we're really close to the Parkway, the Turnpike, Rutgers University, hospitals, Robert Wood Johnson, and people are clamoring to live with us. So we're happy to have you join us. It all starts with an email to info@dolanhomes.com.